In this video, we will show you how to set up and use your new set of Approach CT1 club tracking tags. For this setup, you will need a compatible Garmin device, your golf clubs, and the Approach CT1 package. This includes 16 club tracking tags and the installation tool. Let's begin by installing the Approach CT1 tags on our golf clubs. Each CT1 tag has the club type labeled on the underside of the housing. Now insert the tag into the installation tool. Then insert the tag into the grip hole on your club. While holding the grip, tighten the tag to the grip. Complete this process for all of your clubs. Finally, remove the installation tool from the Approach CT1. Next, we will need to enable club sensors from the settings menu of your compatible device. We will use the Approach S50 Golf Watch, but the process is similar on other devices. For guidance, see club tracking in your owner's manual. To begin, press the Action or Start/Stop button in the upper right. Select Play Golf. You may need to select a course on your device. Then complete the round setup. Pro tip: to track club distance stats, be sure to select Keep Score at the start of each round. Now press the Action or Start/Stop button. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Golf Settings screen, select Club Tracking. Then select Club Sensors. Select your Approach CT1 from the list. By default, the status will be disabled. Select the status to change it to enabled. Press the back button until you return to the golf round screen. You are now ready to tee off. The Approach CT1 Golf Tag allows you to simply tap the tag to the device screen before each swing. This will change the club type on the top of the screen. Finally, we'll show you how to customize the name of your clubs. From the Garmin Golf app, select Profile, then select My Bag. Here you can add, edit, delete, or mark a club inactive. Finally, sync your compatible Garmin Golf Watch with the Garmin Golf app. The updated golf club list will appear on your golf watch. And that's it. To learn more about your Garmin Golf products, subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.